What is new media? It is a digital platforms, social media, blogs, podcasts, and interactive content. And it is a contrast to traditional media, which is typically used to describe mass media tools like television, radio, billboards, and print medias like newspaper or magazine. So, characteristics of new media. It is interactive and audience engagement through comments and shares. So the audience can interact with each other, and users generate content, empowering individuals to create and distribute media. Instantaneous, rapid dissemination of information. So in new media, mabilis na lang kumalat yung mga information kasi almost all of us are using media now, and syempre new media usually sa mga internets ganon like Facebook, Messenger, like that. And multimodal. So new media is multimodal, combines text, audio, video, and graphics, unlike sa mga dati na nakahiwalay pa si text like newspapers ganon, audio, video lang ganon, and other things, etc., etc. And second, the role of new media in information dissemination. Influence on communication. Shift from one-way communication to a participatory model. Example, viral trends, social movements. For example, is like yung pag mag-post tayo, like may hashtag #MeToo, ganun. Ganun. And challenges and opportunities. Opportunities for diverse voice and perspective. Challenges like misinformation, echo chamber, and algorithm bias. And third, skills for media information literacy. In new media, critical thinking and analysis, evaluating the credibility of sources, recognizing bias and perspective in media content. And ngayon, ano nga ba yung mga features of new media? First is web page. Ano nga ba ang web page? A web page is a document written in hypertext, also known as HTML, that you can see online using web browser. Most web page include text, photos, or video, and links to other web page. Like nakikita nyo dyan sa screen, yung sa search bar ng Google. Yan. Example siya ng web page. And next is hypertext. What is hypertext? Hypertext is a software system that links topics on the screen to relate information and graphics, which are typically accessed by a point-and-click method. Yun yung hypertext. Nagagamit natin ito kapag gumagawa tayong PPT, ganun, and for additional information, ganun. Diba? And yung next feature natin is instant messaging. So, instant messaging often shortened to IM or IMing. IMing is the exchange of near real-time messages through a standalone application or embedded software. So, ito yung instant messaging, yung mga ginagamit natin na apps to communicate with others like Messenger, Telegrams, like that. And email. What is email? Email, or E stands for electronic mail. Commonly shortened to email, is a communication method that uses electronic device to deliver messages across computer networks. Email refers to both that delivery system and individual messages that are sent and received. Email, ginagamit siya for academic purposes or if sa work, ganon, kapag may na-applyan. It is very useful kasi kagaya ngayon na we are in electronic era where dito na pinapadala instead of sending you a mail, printed mail, ang ginagamit na natin is electronic mail we can receive instantly. Yan. And next, si Elijah.
So now I will be the one who will continue the lessons on featuring the types of new media. So now we will go to the stance education. Stance education refers to a method of teaching and learning where the instructor and students are separated by time or physical space. And instruction is delivered through various forms of communication technology. This can include online platforms, video conferencing, email, correspondence courses, or other digital tools that facilitate interaction and content delivery, enabling students to study remotely rather than attending traditional in-person classes. An ebook, also called electronic book, is a digital version of printed book that can be read on electronic devices such as e-readers, tablets, smartphones, or computers. Ebooks typically come in formats like PDF, EPUB, or MOBI, and may include features such as adjustable text size, interactive elements, and hyperlinks. They offer a convenient and portable alternative to traditional printed books. And online shopping, most of us are mostly ito na din yung ginagawa natin bago order sa online. So, this refers to the process of purchasing goods or services over the internet. Consumers browse products through websites or mobile applications, select items, and complete transactions using electronic payment methods. The purchased items are delivered to the customer or available for digital download depending on the product type. Online shopping offers convenience, a wider selection, the ability to shop from anywhere and anytime. So lastly, media convergence. This refers to the merging of different forms of media, communication, technologies, and platforms into a unified system, allowing the integration of content, audiences, and media delivery. This process enables the flow of information across various media channels, such as televisions, radio, newspapers, and the internet, blurring the lines between traditional and digital media. Convergence also allows consumers to access, interact with, and share media content across multiple devices, such as smartphones, computers, tablets, often simultaneously. So, to conclude, the ongoing evolution of new media necessitates a continuous update of MIL skills and emphasizing the importance of being informed, responsible, and critical consumers and creators of media. And lastly, call to action. Advocate for greater emphasis on media literacy and educational systems and community initiatives. So, that's all. I hope you learned something from the lesson and thank you for your time.